we want to clean this data, but this time we want to use a formula to tell us which rows we want to keep and not keep. Looking at the data, it looks like wherever there's a number in column N, that's the cell we want to keep. So over here in P17, or let's go to, I have P14, I'm going to use a formula. And in Excel, there's a formula called isNumber. I'm going to point it at that cell there. It's okay, and it gives me a false. I copy it. I can come all the way down to here. I paste it. And what you'll see, it says false and true, depending on what it is. We can now put our data filter on. And now, instead of working through these areas here, we can go to our formula. I'm going to say I want to see all the falses, because those are things we don't want. Again, always useful to look and check. If we're happy with that, I can highlight them all, right click, delete row, clear, and you'll see the data is cleaned.